Hey folks, today we're diving into the world of culinary creativity powered by artificial intelligence. It's time to talk about how AI is revolutionizing the way we cook and eat. Imagine this, you're craving something delicious but have no idea what to make. Well, AI has got your back. With the click of a button, AI can generate unique and mouth-watering recipes tailored to your preferences and dietary needs. No more staring blankly at your pantry wondering what to cook. AI can suggest exciting flavor combinations and ingredient pairings you may have never considered before. And the best part? AI doesn't just stop at suggesting recipes, it's constantly learning and evolving based on user feedback. So the more you cook, the better it gets at understanding your tastes and preferences. But it's not just home cooks who are benefiting from AI. Restaurants and food businesses are also tapping into AI's potential to streamline their operations, reduce food waste, and even create innovative new dishes that push the boundaries of flavor. From personalized meal plans to experimental gastronomy, AI is transforming the way we approach food and cooking, making it more accessible, sustainable, and exciting for everyone. So next time you're feeling uninspired in the kitchen, why not let AI spark your culinary creativity? Who knows, you might just discover your new favorite dish. Follow us for more practical AI tool discovery.